It is exact 5 in the morning. Everywhere silence and peace. All over the place, the area. And I'm ready to explore my body in the gym. No matter what, no matter how, no matter when to start, the best time to start your hard work is right now. If you have a very big dream, if you want to achieve anything in your life, the first thing you have to do is to wake up early in the morning. This is the beginning of your dream, your goal, your destiny. And the second thing is you have to put your effort, like how much you have indulged your effort. Yet you have to tell yourself that this is just a beginning. Because if I give the example of workout like bodybuilding, the real bodybuilding starts from the moment when you start feeling the pain. Like if you are doing 15 reps or 20 reps, and the real bodybuilding starts from 20 reps, like when you start hurting yourself, when you start feeling the pain. And yes, it's true that there is no secret, no shortcuts, nothing. I watch many videos to keep myself motivated all the time. This is the video of some Machiavelli motivation. He keeps on uploading. He uploads so many bodybuilding videos so that you can see and learn the good things from them who had done good in their life. When everyone is sleeping, you have to wake up and do the hard work. I mean, you have to wake up. You have to wake up means you really have to wake up. So in order to achieve your goal, your passion, your dreams, your big things, big dreams, your hard work is not sufficient until and unless you eat more. You have to eat more. You have to feed yourself like a machine. When you put more oil, it will run more longer. If you put less oil, it will run obviously for a shorter period of time, and things will go on. I don't know from where I read or from where I listened these things that that the human rush to those things which is not exist for us, which is very hard for us, which is super tough for us, and we put all those efforts, all those energies on those rubbish things. I think rubbish things which we should not care. We should care on those things which is available, which is easily accessed for us, which is on which we can work more harder than those work which is not exist. So what I'm trying to say is that if you put 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour per day to that small work, one day will obviously come when that small work will become more bigger, much bigger than untouchable work on which you are putting your extra effort, your energy, your health, your wealth, your everything. And in order to keep yourself motivated, energetic all the time in front of everyone, you have to make a smile on your face. Like